In this video, I will show how to graph multiple lines in one Excel plot. So we have this simple data. Now insert and chart and select this 2D line. Now adjust this chart size. Now right click on it and select data. Series name, like my case in 1, and series value. Select it, press enter and click on OK. And in the edit you can select this category and press enter and click on OK. Again click on OK. Same, right click and select data, add series name like S2, select data now, enter, click on OK. In the edit here select category and click on OK. So this way you can add multiple line. Thanks for watching.